अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। तो कैसे आप सब लोगों में देखिए आप लोग अच्छे से होंगे और खैरियत से होंगे। आज एक नई व्लॉग के साथ आप लोगों का स्वागत करता हूं और आज का जो व्लॉग है वो क्विज़ कंपटीशन से रिलेटेड होने वाला है, क्योंकि हमारे स्कूल के अंदर आज क्विज़ कंपटीशन है। तो इसी से रिलेटेड ये वीडियो बना रहा हूं और अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो आप लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमें बहुत सारा हमारा प्यार इस वीडियो पे दिखाइए। तो आप हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए और हमारे वीडियो को देखते रहिए।
In which city is the Statue of Liberty? Correct answer, 5 points. Which is the longest river on the earth? Correct answer. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Correct answer. Which country are the Gira pyramids in? Giza, Egypt is the correct answer. When do we celebrate Independence Day every year? 15 August is the correct answer. Last question, which part of computer is called the brain of computer? CPU is the correct answer. All questions are given correct answer and 5, 6, 30 points mila. And on that, by answering all the questions correctly, 10 point bonus. 10 more point bonus for answering all the questions. Okay, next, Ambedkar House. Now, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 3. Okay, start. In which continent is India? Correct answer. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Correct answer. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the correct answer. Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi, correct answer. What is the folk dance of Punjab? Wrong. 1024 kilobytes is equal to only 3 questions are given for example. 4. Acha 4, 5 is 20. Now 1 and 4 is left. Next, which house is this? Gandhi House. Which number you want? 1 or 4? 1 or 4? 4. Okay, start. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Skin is the correct answer. Which country first used paper money? China, correct answer. Who was the founder of Buddhism? Gautama Buddha is the correct answer. How many years are there in a century? 100, correct answer. Who was the first person to land on the moon? Neil Armstrong, correct answer. Who were the first people to climb Mount Everest? Wrong answer. 5 questions are given, correct answer. 5, 6 are 30. 3, 5 is 25, sorry. 5, 5 is 25. And last only one number is left. There is no choice for you. So here are your questions. Kalpana House, how many cricket World Cups does India have? Wrong. Who invented computer? Charles Babbage is the correct answer. Which is the heavier metal, gold or silver? Last final answer? Gold is the correct answer. Name the first 3 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth. Correct answer. Who was the first woman to go into space? Wrong answer, and time is also up. How many questions are correct? 3. 3 5s are 15. Current affairs, history or science? Huh? Sports, current affairs, history and science. Science. Okay, here are. Okay. 5 questions. In this round, each team will get 5 questions. Okay? There is advantage also. You can attempt for 3 times. Okay, here's your first question. Name the scientist who introduced the 3 laws of motion. Full name. Isaac Newton is the correct answer. It was their first attempt. So here you will get 15 points. Next question. Which nutrient is essential to build muscles? Which nutrients help to build muscles?
Shut up. Keep quiet.
There is no time limitation. You can think and you can attempt for 3 times. Repeating the question, which nutrient is essential to build muscles? आंसर देना, गलत हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं है, आप फिर दोबारा रॉन्ग बोलेगा तो आप दोबारा सोच सकते हैं, फिर उसमें भी अगर रॉन्ग हो गया दोबारा तीसरी बार अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? देयर इज नो नेगेटिव पॉइंट हियर. न्यूट्रिएंट्स जानते हैं ना? न्यूट्रिएंट्स, खाने में न्यूट्रिएंट्स होता है, उनमें से एक का नाम बताओ. हाँ, प्रोटीन. इज इट देयर? फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. Protein is the correct answer. 15 points, 15 more points. First attempt. अच्छा सर, इसमें एक आंसर देने में टाइम लगेगा, क्योंकि ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. 3 seconds. 3 seconds, but you will get second and third attempt. ठीक है? Name the tissue that attach to our muscles. Over. You can think again. Think. So जो अभी second attempt है, third attempt भी. 3 seconds. 10 या 5 seconds करो. Name the tissue that. Okay, second attempt is gone. Now third attempt. Name the tissue that attach to our muscles. Okay, your third attempt for the third question is over. Next, fourth question. In which part of the plant photosynthesis takes place? Leaf is the correct answer. This is their first attempt, so they will get 15 points. And now, from this round, your last question. Which organs cover and protect our body? Loudly. Skin is the correct answer. First attempt, 15 marks. Okay, sir, which team is the second lowest? Okay, Ambedkar House. Which subject you want? Sports, current affairs, history and science. Sports, current affairs, history and science. Science. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You will also get 5 questions. Okay, let's start. Name the hardest substance. Make sure that for each question you will get 5 seconds. Okay? Name the hard. Name the hardest substance in the world. Diamond is the correct answer. First attempt, 15 points. Second question. Name the lightest element in the periodic table. Wrong. Hydrogen, correct answer. Second attempt, so they will get 10 points. Third question, what is the molecular formula of water? H2O, first attempt, correct answer, 15 marks. Fourth question, which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Carbon dioxide, first attempt, correct answer, 15 points. Last question, what is called an animal that eats both plants and animals? What is called an animal that eats both plants and animals? How many words correct? Right? Okay, first attempt. 15 points. Okay, then it is required besides air and food to survive. What do animals require besides air and food to survive? First attempt is gone. You can try for second attempt. What do animals require besides air and food? Water is the correct answer. Second attempt, 10 points. Next question, which star is visible during the day and sends lights? Sun is the correct answer. First attempt, 15 points. Which medicine type fights only bacteria and not virus? Antibiotic is the correct answer. First attempt, 15 points. Which gas is used in the process of photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, right? Correct answer. First attempt, 15 points. Last question, what are the three states of matter? Solid, liquid and gas. Correct answer. 15. The first case of novel coronavirus identified. O1 is the correct answer. First attempt, 15 points. Second question, what is the full form of COVID-19? Full answer. Second attempt. Third attempt. No? Okay, now this question will pass to the audience. Stand up from the audience. Yes, loudly. Louder. Huh? Wrong. Full form of COVID-19. Wrong answer. Huh? Full answer. I need full answer. C-O-V-I and then D. Anyone else? Since the audience cannot answer, I will put this question to the challenger team. Smell is the correct answer. First attempt, 15 points. Next question, which system of the body controls the senses? Which system? Nervous system. Second attempt, 10 points. Last question, what is the male cow called? Ox is the correct answer. First attempt, 15 points. Okay, let us see the total from the first round and second round. Achha. Okay, now please be silent. This is an audio clip, so you have to listen first and then you will get the question. So silent, okay? It will take time. Listen carefully. Okay, yeah.
Gandhi.
Which team? Gandhi House hit the buzzer first, so Gandhi House will get the question. Identify the singer of this audio clip. Michael Jackson is the correct answer. So they will get 20 points. Gandhi House will get 20 points for this correct question, correct answer. Now second is also an ऑडियो क्लिप सुनना फिर से दोबारा, ठीक है?
एक कहानी होती थी अध्यक्ष महोदय, शायद बचपन में आपने भी सुनी होगी। राजा गांधी ये पूछे जाता था कि प्रजा मेरे बारे में क्या कह रही है, मैं सही रास्ते पे चल रहा हूँ कि नहीं। लेकिन आज का राजा
ऑन करके रखो ना, why you are off the switch until you are not giving the answer, तब तक switch off मत करो। अब कल्पना को जाएंगे पास में, हमने पहले but you switched off the button, हमें बताया गया था ना switch off करने के लिए।
ये जैसे स्विच ऑन करता है ना, आप बताना चाहिए कि ये वाला हाउस है गांधी हाउस, इसमें ही नहीं दिया ना। I didn't hear, so I think Gandhi House. Is it you who hit the buzzer? Okay, your question is, who is this famous personality behind this voice? Challenger team can hit the buzzer. This is wrong answer. Minus 10. Minus 10. Next challenger team, which team is that? Kalpana has got the right answer. They will get 10 points. 10 points for Kalpana. Third question from this round is also an audio clip. So again, listen carefully.
APJ.
Missed him. Huh? Haider sir, since I've given this responsible for Haider sir, so I will listen Haider sir only. So Haider sir says, APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is this famous personality? Shah Rukh Khan is the correct answer. For second. 20 marks, 20 points, 20 points. Now the fourth question, all of the participants look on the screen. Okay, you will be shown a picture and you have to identify it. Okay, and please your hands up. Can anyone identify this picture? No? No? Audience, can you see the screen?
Why you are lip sync? Cut कर दूँगी, just give it to team से हो।
टीम सुने दो कोई किसी को नहीं बोलना है, वहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेंट नहीं बोलना।
कोई बैठ जाओ, नीचे बैठ जाओ। आप लोग क्यों खड़े हैं? 1 or 2 monitors, आप खड़ा होकर देख लेना, कोई खड़ा होने मत देना, ठीक है? From the audience, you know the answer? Can anyone identify this monument? नहीं दिख रहा है। चलो, इस साइड और दिख रहा है ना? Transfer. Okay, I think you don't have the answer, so I will tell you answer. Okay, this is the Forbidden City in China. Next, again, your eyes should be on the screen, and again you have to identify this monument. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I think this is in your GK. And you can even see, you know, this picture is made on the mountain. Okay, time up. Now from the audience, can anyone identify this monument? Come on, stand up. Wrong. Mount Abu is in India. Are they look like Indian?
England, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you the correct answer. This is Mount Rushmore in USA. Mount Rushmore. Mount. The clue was given. It was made on the mountain. Okay, again your eyes on the screen. Next question, again to identify another monument. This is also in your GK class 6, 7 main board.
नो शोर मामा सा बेटा थोड़ा शांत रहो यार तेरा मतों शाबाश
Okay, none of the team have answered for this question, so the question will go to the audience. From the audience, if you could identify this monument. Not like this. If you have answered, just stand up and read properly.
खड़ा होके जवाब दो बेटा
ये आप इशारा क्यों कर रहे हैं आप टीम की तरफ
देखो चेक कौन सा राशन से क्या कर रहे हैं
मैं कट कर दूंगी सबको मार टीम को इशारा करते हैं
इनका कट करो मैडम
Audience में कोई भी अगर clue या इशारा करेंगे तो माइनस हो जाएगा. Next, you will be shown a video clip. Let's look on the screen and you have to identify which. Okay, which movie does this clip belong to? एक मूवी का क्लिप है. Keep shut your mouth. कल्पना चावला hit the buzzer first, right? यहाँ आप लोग बजर दबाने के मुंह से क्या बोल रहे हैं? बजर दबाना है ना? So Kalpana will give the answer. Which movie does this clip belong to? Chennai Express is the right answer. Okay, there is another movie clip. Okay, now in the next question on the screen you will be shown a picture. You have to identify. Okay? Which famous cartoon show is this? APJ Abdul Kalam hit the buzzer first, so this question it will be answered by them. Which famous cartoon show is this? Shaun the Sheep is absolutely correct answer. 20 points. APJ Abdul Kalam got the correct answer, so they will get 20 marks. And there is another famous cartoon character. You have to identify which famous cartoon character is this. I always study hard before I test. In this sentence, I repeat the sentence. I always study hard before others. In this sentence, which word is an echo? Ambedkar House. Tell me, I always study hard before others. In this sentence, which word is an echo? I always study hard. Hey, keep your mouth shut. Heart is the correct answer. Heart is the correct answer. So, since they hit the buzzer first, they will get 10 points. Ambedkar is fast and echo. What's the I will give you 2 sentences, okay? From these 2 sentences, in which sentence is fast, F-A-S-T, fast and echo? Okay, listen carefully. Here, got a fast car. He drives fast. APJ Abdul Kalam. He drives fast. In this sentence, fast is an echo. Correct answer, 10 points.